Hello, boys and girls. Today we will learn how to pronounce z, c, s, and zh, sh, sh. Now you can read after me and watch carefully at the shape of my mouth when I pronounce it. When you pronounce the zh, you can try to roll your tongue up and clench your teeth. Then pound your mouth like this. Zh, zh. Okay, now flatten your tongue and clench your teeth. Open your mouth slightly and say z, z. Well, now let's try to read these two words. 紫色，紫色，纸巾，纸巾。Okay, the next one is sh. It's pronounced almost equal to zh, but this time you should leave a gap between your upper and lower teeth instead of clenching it. Then try to aspirate it like this. Ch, ch. Now let's see pronunciation of s. Try to flatten your tongue up and leave a gap between your teeth. Open your mouth slightly, then aspirate it. S, s. Now let's try to read these two words. 刺猬，刺猬，翅膀，翅膀。You're so good. Okay, now let's take a look at sh. Equally roll your tongue up, make your upper and lower teeth as close as you can. Let the airflow come out from tiny gap from your mouth, like this. Sh, sh. Now, equally flatten your tongue. Press your tip of tongue against the back of your upper teeth and aspirate it slightly. S, s. Okay, try to read these two words. 丝绸，丝绸，食物，食物。Okay, how you learn how to distinguish them? Subscribe to this channel and practice more. I believe you can do it.